3 right, big don't over crest, and 4 left, pinches up, into eyes, 4 left, over tarmac, don't, onto gravel, pick 35 minus left, and tightens 3 plus down, tightens 3 plus down, don't, car off, 50, 200 to go on that, 6 right short and 5 left, don't, 30, cautions shitty, hole 5 left, left over 50, 2 plus right.
Oh, shit. Yep. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, are you okay?
Yeah, fine.
Can we get out?
Yep.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am standing in front of the camera and it feels great not to have to record. And also I have a super cool project for you guys. Behind me is a really cool Lexus, and as you can tell, it is not your average car. We have a little bit of damage here on the rocker, and the door pillar got pushed in a little bit so the door does not close. We need to pull all that out. And guys, this thing is actually really sweet. Check it out inside. Full roll cage. Look at these seats. Man, makes a man want to roll over about 1,600 times. Look at this thing. They even got a spot to put cat. Look, if we were to go rallying, we'd have cat here in the bag. And if we was to roll over, the cat would be out of the bag. Check it out. They got some Bilstein shocks on this thing. Got all kinds of really cool, I don't know anything what I'm talking about right now. See, when you're out there rallying, you got to have these little safety triangles or else it'll rip your bumper off. These cars go about 246 miles an hour. And these springs right here, they're actually from a Ford Mustang. The reason why you don't ever see them on Ford Mustangs is because they had a recall. A whole full skid plate. See, I need that for my M3. Last time I ran over a bunch of protests. It's gonna be kind of hard to get it up there because, like, I really can't see anything out of this car. I don't know how they do this, man. But I do have to say, whoever built this cage knew what they were doing. Like, look at the design, the structure, the welds, everything is beautiful. So it looks like they hit right on the jack point, and that actually might help us. It might actually hurt us. We don't know yet. If this tube is welded solid all the way through on both sides, it might be a little bit harder to pull out, but I'm thinking that I'll be able to weld something onto this tube right here and pull on it, and this entire dent right here will come right out. Meshing up the originality of the vehicle. Oh yeah, that's solid. What is that? 6 inches? That's about average. 5.5, so we're 1/2 inch in. And that gives you a baseline to work off of. I know now that we need to go at least 1/2 inch on that doorpost. Grab the door stretcher. Oh man, no gap. We have no gap. I got the doors to line up and it was kind of hard because first of all, this door is gutted, so it moves around a lot. It's not very stable. And also this roll cage was very well built and I could not get that doorpost to move. Whoever built this roll cage deserves a medal. I'm telling you, they did it. They did exactly what they should have done. And I have to say the thing is definitely doing its job, but the door closes, the gaps look great. This door right here did sustain a little bit of damage from the accident, so it's kind of kicking up at the top right here. But guys, this is a rally car. It's made to get beat on.
You okay?
So it's actually looking very, very good for a rally car. When I tell you I spent about an hour and a half just trying to get these doors lined up, that is not an exaggeration. Okay, sir. You don't have to burn me. It was actually more like 3, but now we need to remove this rear door and pull out this rocker panel right here. I welded a tow hook cover that I stole from a customer. I'm not a miracle worker. And just like that, I pulled the rocker out and I welded up the little holes that I may or may not have made in the metal. And I was going to pull out a little bit more right here, but this jack point started to tear off. So I welded it back up and I think it's okay. It is a rally car and there is a side skirt that covers all that. So it really does not matter. Just like that, the Lexus is ready to rally again. And I'm super excited to see what happens with this car because now that we've worked on it, we're kind of attached to it. So wish the guys good luck in the comments and let me know what you guys think about the repair. And I will see you guys in the next one. Need money for race car. Guys, this is our winner of the giveaway. Today we're presenting him with the car that he won.
There you go.
What do you think? You like it, huh?
It fit me. It fit me. It might.
But do you fit in it?
I think I fit in it.
Yeah, that's a bird's nest.
It's a bird's nest.